How to configure using what? Annotation driven configuration. How to configure using Java code driven configuration. XML is fading out day to day, guys. Leave it. So as alternate, we have to worry about what? Annotation. Annotations are Java statement. They will be placed inside the Java statement. They will be used from Java statements, right? Yes or no, na, guys? Okay. So latest trend is working with the annotations. The question is, if it is user defined class and you want to make it as a Spring Bean, at the rate component annotation is there. Yes? You have to place on the top of the class and it will work out, right? But if it is a predefined class, can we edit the source code of the predefined class, guys? But I want to make it as a Spring Bean. Then what should I do? We need to take the support of @bean method of the configuration. So what is this configuration class, guys? Class with @configuration annotation, right? Class with @configuration annotation is called as what? Configuration class, my dear. Okay. This is alternate to Spring Bean configuration file or not, guys? Super. All these things we have to pass as input file name or class name when we create what? IOC container. When we create what? IOC container, we need to pass all these things as what? Input class name or what? File name. So let it be, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about what, my dear? I was talking about the Spring IOC containers are given for two operations. One is what? Spring Bean lifecycle management. Number two, dependency management, right? When I say Spring Bean lifecycle management, what is that? Okay, it's all about making IOC container, loading the class, creating object, managing object, if needed, destroying the object. What is dependency management? When you want to keep two Spring Beans in communication, we have to make one Spring Bean as target class, one Spring Bean as dependent class. The class that uses other class services is called as what? Target class. The class, come on guys, whose services are being used by another class is called as what? Dependent class. What class, guys? Okay. Vehicle engine. Vehicle uses engine. Vehicle is the target class, engine is the dependent class. Come on, my dear. Flipkart DTDC. Flipkart uses DTDC services. Yes, no, my dear. Come on. So Flipkart uses DTDC services. Okay. So for what purpose? Delivery operations, right? Okay. So making IOC container, arranging dependent Spring Bean class object for target Spring Bean class is called dependency management. So IOC container is capable of doing both operations or not. Lastly, I talked about what, guys? How exactly a core Java application looks. How exactly a Spring application looks. Core Java application. Programmer makes JVM to load target and dependent classes. Programmer makes JVM to create objects for target and dependent classes. Programmer makes JVM to create. Okay, guys, what is that? 515, right? It is our batch code. Spring core. Where is this? 11. 10, 11. Yeah, programmer makes JVM to manage both objects now, boss. Come on, everyone. Yes. Programmer assigns target dependent class object to target class object or not, guys? Dependent class object to target class object or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Programmer uses both objects to call business methods on them. Come on. Programmer keeps both objects ready for garbage collections. Yes or no, na boss? Okay, by nullifying them. If I give same two things was to the Spring environment. Okay, who loads the target and dependent classes? That's great. Who creates objects for them? Who manages both objects? Who assigns a dependent class object to target class? Who who programmer gathers those objects whenever they need from IOC container? Happily calls the business methods or not, guys? Right. Who destroys them once work is over? Definitely, programmer destroys them once. Okay. Once work is over, IOC container destroys them. So that means Spring managed IOC container is taking care of life cycle management and dependency management or not, guys? That's great, guys. Okay, today let's discuss more points about what? Dependency management. So let me take this a new document, Control E, 10,000 is the width, 20,000 is the height. I think reverse, guys. 2000 is the width, 10,000 is the height. Yes, guys. What is this? February. What is there? 12th. 2025 Spring Core module. That's great. What is this? Dependency injection. Spring Core module dependency injection. That's great. Okay, now listen. Dependency management can be implemented in two ways. Number one, dependency lookup. Target search for a dependent and gets the dependent. Target Spring Bean, searches for a dependent Spring Bean and gets that object. Fine. Number two, dependency injection. The underlying server or container or framework or JRE dynamically assigns dependent Spring Bean class object to whom? Target Spring Bean class object. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super, guys. Now tell me here, what is this? Okay. Yeah. The IOC containers of Spring or Spring Boot frameworks are given for two basic operations. What operations? Number one, Spring Bean lifecycle management. What management? Management. Number two, what is this? Spring Bean lifecycle management. Number two, dependency management. Dependency management. Okay, this dependency management is how many models, guys? Two models. One is a dependency lookup, other one is what? Dependency injection. But whole industry identifies with the DL, DI words. What is that? DL, DI. Okay. What is there? Dependency lookup. Yes. What is dependency lookup, guys? Here, the IOC container. What is there? Here, the IOC container makes. Otherwise, here the target spring bean searches and gets what, guys? Searches and gets dependent spring bean class object from various resources. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. This is called dependency lookup. In shortcut, this is called DI. In shortcut, this is called DL, guys. Dependency injection is different. This is DL. Number 2, what is there? Dependency injection. What is there? Dependency injection. What is that? DI. Yeah, what will happen, guys? Here, the underlying container or server or framework or JRE dynamically assigns dependent Spring Bean class object to what? Target Spring Bean class object. Right now, boss? Here we don't search and get. Underlying servers only dynamically assigns or injects what? Dependent Spring Bean class object to what? Target Spring Bean class object. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Okay, everyone. Here, what is there? Here, the underlying, what whom, guys? Server or container or what is there? Framework or JRE or server. Okay, server is already given. Okay. Okay, JRE and etc. Dynamically, what is there? Assigns or injects. Okay, what is there? Dependent Spring Bean class object to what is that? Target Spring Bean class object. What is there? Target Spring Bean class object. Okay, guys. Both are good, guys. Based on the situation, we have to go for it. Shall we understand first dependency lookup, guys? Come on. Dependency lookup. Oh, yeah. What is dependency lookup, guys? Yes. What is the dependency lookup? The dependency lookup is basically like this, guys. The target Spring Bean class, the target class or Spring Bean class, searches for dependent Spring Bean class or class from various resources. And once it found, it gets it and uses it, right? Okay, simply target Spring Bean pulls dependent Spring Bean from different resources, na boss? Here pulling is happening or not? It's searching and pulling. Lookup is nothing but searching, boss, right? Available, taking it, right? Lookup notice. What do you mean by lookup notice? The police will search for the thief. If found, they will catch him. Search notice is there. They just search. Whatever they search, they write observation. They don't take anything with them. They just made observations, right? But when I say lookup notice, what is notice? When I use the word what? Lookup notice. They not only search, whatever they got, they will take with them. Fine. What's a real life example of dependency lookup? You are a student. For you, course material is dependent or not? Definitely, you need a course material for preparation. You joined in the course and you are going to office, explicitly asked for material. Then only they are delivering material to you. Until that, they are not giving any material to you, right? That is called dependency lookup. What is that? Because material is not coming directly to you. You are asking for material, demanding for material, you are searching where material is available, going there and collecting the material. Then you are getting the material. Don't you think it comes under dependency lookup, guys? Yes or no, na boss? What's the technical example of it? Yeah, for that one, some technical knowledge is required. But first of all, let me put some wordings over here, right? Here, the target spring bean or class dynamically. What, guys? Searches and gets dynamically. What, guys? Searches and gets dependent spring bean or class object from various resources. What resources? From various resources. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super. Here, the target spring bean or class pulls. What, guys? Pulls. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Dependent spring bean or class object. So here pulling is the actual accept or not, guys? Super, guys. Right. Rizwan, be in touch with admin madam. Admin madam will provide what? Your backup videos. Admin madam, whoever this batch admin name is Rajeshwari madam. Okay, please be in touch with Rajeshwari madam. Okay. Admin madam will share the Google Drive. Day one by one she will share. Rizwan, you joined today, but you know about Google Drive. You know about what? There are backup videos. Why are you lying, man? Please don't lie like this. You are a student. You have every right to ask your services, right? Okay, fine. Whoever you are, okay. Technical queries, ask me. Non-technical queries, redirect to what? Admin. I think if you are a HK Star product, you might have that common sense, right? What should be asked to whom, right? Technical queries, you redirect to me. Non-technical queries, definitely you can put to what? Admin madam. Rajeshwar madam, are you there in the meeting? Please share backup videos to me. And with the students, those who missed initial classes, they will write. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Yes, here what is the mistake? OBJ. OBJ means what? Object or not? What's the mistake, guys? OBJ. Okay. Fine. Rizwan, happened is happened. Don't drag the discussion. Can you focus on subject? Right. Example 1. What is that? Non-technical. Example 1, non-technical. Yes. What is non-technical example, my dear? Student. Who is nothing but what? Target. Searching and getting course material. What is this one? Dependent. Searching and getting course material from the institute. On demand. Institute on demand. On demand. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay. Example 2, guys. But before explaining example 2, okay, the way Java application searches and gets important object references from the, what is this? JNDI registry. What is that, guys? Important object references from the JNDI registry. Okay, what is JNDI? I know that you'll ask. We are going to discuss elaborately. Please concentrate. When I use the word JNDI, what is the word JNDI? Java. What is there? Naming and directory interface. That's one technology, boss. How JDBC is there, how Java Mail is there, how JMS is there, how EasyB is there. JNDA is also one technology. Using that technology only, JNDA registry is developed. Now, question is, what's the use of this JNDA registry? But before that, let me ask one query. You want to use object within the method. You will declare the method as a local variable inside the method. You want to use object specific to another object of a class. You will take that one as a non-static property of a class now, boss. Then it becomes object to scope, right? You want to use one object throughout the class, right? Throughout the class. Yeah, tell me, boss. Tell me, boss. You will try to declare that object as a static property of a class now, boss. Static property of a class now, boss. I want reply, my dear. We want to take that class as what? Static property of a class. What do you say, my dear? I want reply. But I want more visibility and accessibility. I don't want to be happy with what? Object scope or class scope. I want to be more happy by providing more visibility, right? Yes. For that purpose, you need to think about keeping object or object reference. What, guys? Either object or object reference in a special place called JNDA registry. JNDA registry is not ready to hold any object, boss. It is ready to hold only Java objects. What objects, guys? Just Java objects, only Java objects. Whenever you want to provide global visibility or accessibility to any object or its a reference, it's better to place in what? JNDA registry. All application connects to JNDA registry, searches for object, gets the object and uses the object. Sir, are you going to keep every second object in JNDA registry? No. Only useful objects only we are going to keep in what? JNDA registry. Especially the objects that are related to distributed application development will be kept in JNDA registry. For example, you take GPay object, Google Pay object. Google Pay object, it's better to keep JNDA registry, in order to make it visible to a number of people, right? Phone Pay class object reference, better to keep in JNDA registry, Okay, there's a BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange component, right? It's better to keep in what? JNDA registry or not, guys? There is a object called ICC score component. What component? ICC score component. It's better to keep that object in JNDA registry or not, guys? It's better to keep that reference in what? JNDA registry or not? I want reply, guys. Come on, my dear. I want reply, guys. Super, guys. The way if you want to provide global visibility and accessibility to any object, it has to be placed in JNDA registry, na boss? It has to be placed in JNDA registry or not? I want reply, my dear. Come on, my dear. I want reply, guys. Comfortable or not? I want reply with. Okay. Yes, boss. Yeah. Where is this? Okay. The object that is, this is very important, local to method. That is created inside the method. Yeah, that is inside the method is specific to that method. that method. What is that scope, guys? Local scope. The object that is created inside the class. What, guys? Inside the class as non-static property. What, guys? Non-static property is specific to what is this? The object of a class, right, guys? Is specific to object of a class. What is that, guys? Object to scope. This is local scope or method scope. What scope I can call it as, guys? What scope, guys? Method scope. Okay, guys. Next one. The object that is created inside the class. What class, guys? As static property. What property, guys? As static property is specific to entire class. What class, guys? Entire class. Specific to entire class. That is nothing but class scope or not. To provide more and more visibility, more and more, what is this? Global visibility. And what is this? Accessibility. More and more global visibility and what? Accessibility for any object. What object, guys? For any object. We need to keep its reference. Where, guys? Its reference in the, what is this? JNDI registry. What, guys? JNDI registry software. Okay, guys. Now tell me, what are the examples for JNDI registries, guys? Okay, next. Example 1. COS registry is the JNDI registry. RMI registry is what? JNDI registry. RMI registry. Inside WebLogic server, there is a JNDI registry. Every web server or application server like Tomcat comes with a built-in JNDI registry, guys. You need not to arrange them separately. Next one. WebLogic JNDI registry. Tomcat JNDI registry. What is this? Tomcat JNDI registry. Glassfish JNDI registry. Okay. Glassfish JNDI registry. And etc. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Convince it with me, guys. These are the JNDI registries that are there in the market or not, guys? Okay, boss. Note. Every web server like Tomcat, come on. Okay, and every application server like WebLogic. What, guys? WebLogic gives what, guys? Gives built-in what, guys? Like WebLogic gives built-in what is that? Gives built-in JNDI registry. I hope you are understanding my statement here, guys. You need not to arrange them separately. Okay, guys. The objects of distributed application generally kept in what? JNDI registry to make them globally visible and accessible, right? I developed PhonePe as a local object inside the method. For whom it is visible, who can access it? Distributed application means what? Remote clients will be there. People wants to use services of the server application from what? Remote client application. Yes or no? Na? No, I will keep inside what? Local method. I'll keep as a non-static property. Where they are visible, who will access them? See, I know I can teach Spring Boot microservice and a lot of Java subjects, but I have not informed to anyone. I just informed to my family members. So can I teach a subject like this to you people? I informed to my colony people. Only my colony people will come and learn. I came and shown my interest. Our Naresh IT approached me. They kept my details and kept in public domain because they got a big student database, right? So because of that, people are able to know about me. They are able to access my services. Yes or no? Na? Since my details are registered, my batch details are registered with Naresh IT. You all people are able to know about me, able to access me, able to connect with me by accessing my batch details from Naresh IT website or Naresh IT office or not, guys. So here, Naresh IT is acting as what? J&A registry. I am acting as what? The PhonePe object reference or GPay object reference are not there. You are all acting as PhonePe customers or GPay customers are not there. GPay developed as a local object. It is not kept in J&A registry. Do you think you people can access it? Since it is kept in what? J&A registry, kind of global visibility registry. You all able to connect, access its services, enjoy its services or not, guys? So the Java objects of distributed application will be kept in what? J&A registry to provide global visibility and accessibility for them. What for them? Global visibility and what? Accessibility for them. Are you getting my point there, guys? Once objects and object references are there in J&A registry, okay, normal Java application who want to put object, who want to access object in the J&A registry, they communicate with the J&A registry by using what? J&A technology. If Java application wants to talk with the database software, they are using JDBC technology. If same Java application wants to talk with the J&A registry, they need to use what? J&A registry or not, guys? The Java application who is talking to J&A registry, searching and getting certain object reference is nothing but what? J&A lookup operation. What operations? J&I lookup operation, searching and getting object, okay, from J&I registry is called as what? J&I lookup operation. Is that convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Sir, all the things I am writing is J&I. And Abhishek Misra, this is the last warning. When topic is completed, you guide me what is missing, what is not missing. Did I say topic is completed about J&A? So don't become my guru in the middle of my teaching, please. I request every online student. I know you're super intelligent, but you should hand over your brain to me at this moment. Please. I know what to be typed, when to be typed. Order of subject, you leave it to me. Yes. Last warning, Abhishek Mishra. If you see this overaction one more time, you will be outside the classroom. When topic is over, guide me what is missing. When topic is going on, there is no meaning of do this, do this. It's out of, I know you are asking out of over excitement. You have to control that. Fine. Okay. Super. And you asked one line, that one line is already given here. Okay. JNDI means Java naming and directory interface. That time you might be busy sleeping somewhere, right? Okay. Everyone please come back. Please come back. First hand over your brain. I will introduce the right topic in right order. Presentation part, leave it to me. I have conducted nearly what? 200 plus batches of Spring and Spring Boot microservices, right? Right? I'm sharing this knowledge from so many years. I know what to be presented in what angle. The best part of my teaching is I think like a student before I present a subject. It's not like that I'm teaching, you are listening. It's not at all one-way communication. That's why I ask you people, stay active, be interactive with me. Answer my queries. If you are answering wrong, I know you are not following somewhere. I'll try to stress that topic again by taking a different orientation. Please. Okay, na? Super. Right, guys. So, how JDBC is there to talk to database software to manipulate database data? Similarly, JNDA is there. What is there? JNDA is there to make Java application locating and talking with what? JNDA registry and performing what? Various operations on JNDA registry. What do you mean by various operations on what? JNDA registry. The various operations on JNDA registry like inserting object into JNDA registry, bind operation. Changing existing object with a new object, come on. Rebind operation technically, right? Searching and getting certain object from JNDA registry, lookup operation. Removing object from JNDA registry, unbind operation. What operation, guys? Removing object from JNDA registry is called as what? Unbind operation. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Now concentrate here, guys. The important Java objects of what, guys? The objects of distributed applications will be kept in what, guys? Will be kept in JNDI registry. Will be kept in JNDI registry to make them visible and accessible. To make them visible and accessible for local and remote clients. For what, guys? Local and remote client. That's great. Okay. Yeah. The objects like what, guys? The objects like Google Pay. What, guys? Google Pay. Google Pay, Phone Pay, BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange service, ICC's core component service will be kept in what, guys? Will be kept in what registry? JNDA registry to provide global visibility and accessibility for them. What, guys? Global visibility and accessibility for them. Visibility and what? Accessibility. Global visibility and what? Accessibility for them. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me here, what is there? JNDI. What registry, guys? JNDI registry. Everyone getting my point there? Super. This is called JNDI registry, guys. In this registry, important objects will be maintained or not. It's like hash table, guys. Every object will be placed having nickname or alias name. Every object will be placed simply having what? Nickname or alias name. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Okay. For example, nickname is GPay. What is this? Google Pay. Nickname is GPay. Google Pay object reference. What reference, guys? Google Pay object reference. Nice, guys. Nickname is Phone Pay. Nickname is what? Phone Pay. What is this, guys? Phone Pay object reference. Are nickname is your choice, Ra Babu. Anything you can. For identification only, we have is ICC. What is there? ICC score component reference. Okay, like this, different services will be kept or not, guys? Different services will be kept or not, guys? Okay, boss. Now listen carefully. This is my Java application. What application? Can I call this Java application as target class, guys? What class, guys? Target. Target class. Okay. First, what should I do, guys? Okay. Connect to what, guys? Connect to J&A registry. The first and foremost work is we have to establish connection with the J&A registry or not, guys? Yes. Initial contact. In JDBC, connection object is there. Come on. Representing connectivity between Java application and database software. Here we are having initial context object. What object, guys? Initial context IC is equal to, what is there, guys? New initial context of. Some properties will be there. In that properties we write what? Location of the J&A registry. So this will establish connection with the J&A registry software, guys. Come on. Yeah, perform lookup operation. What operation? Yeah, this is indirectly nothing but dependency lookup operation, na boss. Indirectly nothing but dependency lookup operation or not. Come on, my dear. Say something, my dear. Come on. Indirectly nothing but dependency lookup operation or not, guys. Okay, guys. Tell me here. Google Pay. Google Pay, GPay, okay, is equal to CTX dot lookup. There's a direct method, guys. What method? CTX dot lookup of GPay. GPay is the nickname, na boss? Okay. This side what, guys? Nickname. Here are what? Nicknames. This will be nickname. This will be alias. This is what? Nickname. Here is my nickname, my dear. What is that? Nickname. This is my, what is this? Okay, Spring Bean object reference. What is this? Object. Nickname. You have to pass nickname over there, na boss? Right. Once we got the things, we can invoke the business methods or not. Invoke business methods, not the normal methods, business. Invoke business method. String MSG is equal to, what is there? GPay dot do payment of, okay, phone number all nines, phone numbers all nines, payment 8967. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. This is my phone number. This is my amount, guys. This is my phone number. What is there? Phone number. Definitely this is my phone number. This is my what? Amount. Okay. Payment successful or not can be displayed here or not, guys. Sysout means system.out.println message. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Definitely it looks like a network or not. Can I take this one as a network, my dear? Come on. Can I call this one as a network over here? That's great. So when I call this method, ctx.lookup method, it is actually contacting J&A registry and searching and getting GPay object reference or not, guys. Searching and getting GPay object reference. What do you say, my dear? I want reply. Searching and getting this one. CTX 1 minute. It's my mistake. Here object name is IC na boss. Here object name is what? IC. IC.lookup method. Lookup is the predefined method or not, guys? Can I call this activity as a JNDA lookup operation? What operation, guys? JNDI lookup operation. What operation, guys? JNDI lookup operation. It's simply nothing but what? JNDI lookup operation. See, in dependency lookup, target class spends time to search and get dependent class object from various resources. And here target class is spending time writing logic to search and get GPay object reference from JNDA registry or not, guys? GPay object reference from JNDA registry or not? I want reply, my dear. I hope you thoroughly convinced with this one or not, guys. So far you don't know JNDA registry, but you are able to understand or not, guys. Super, guys. Tell me here. Java application uses JDBC API to interact with the database software or not, guys? Yeah, this is my JDBC API. What API, guys? JDBC API. Yeah. What is the meaning of this statement, guys? Java application uses what is this? JDBC API to interact with the database software and to manipulate DB tables data. DB tables data, nothing but performing code operations on database software. Performing code operations. What do you mean by code operations, guys? Come on. Insert, update, delete, and select operations. What operations, guys? Insert, update, delete, select. C for create, nothing but insert operation. U for update, nothing but modification. U R for read means select operation. D for delete, nothing but removal. Now listen. Same Java application. What application, guys? Same Java application interacts with the JNDI registry by using what API, my dear? JNDI API. What is this? JNDI API. Which is also called what? Technology. JDBC API, which is also called as what? Tech. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Tell me here. What is this? Java application uses JNDI API. What API? To interact with JNDI registry. What registry? And to perform JNDI operations on it. What operations? Operations on it. What are the JNDI operations, boss? Can you tell me? The JNDI operations are what operations? The JNDI operations are. The JNDI operations are. Okay, guys. Number one. What is number one, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, bind operation. What operation, guys? Bind operation. Keeping the object reference. What reference? I am searching and getting means someone is keeping that object in the JNDA registry, na boss. Say something. Some people are just there saying yes in yes. They are not involving in the discussion. Please remember, you are studying for yourself. You are searching for your job. You are preparing for your job. You are not doing for someone. Stop doing for someone. Earlier, you have a complaint in college days. We want to study. No proper faculty, no proper infrastructure, no proper facilities in the college, right? Or you have a complaint. I would like to become dancer or what? Musician. But somehow my father forced me to get into what? These professional courses. But now you cannot complain. Why I will tell. Okay. Choosing Java is your choice. A parent forced you. Your choice. Clear? Point number one. Choosing Naresh technology is your choice or someone forced you? Your choice, right? Okay. Choosing Natras, sir? Almost your choice, right? No? Fine. Your karma then. I cannot do anything. You already committed. You already committed? Fine. Next. Coming to Hyderabad, staying in hostel also your choice or you are forced? Yes or no? Na? So now you cannot complain. Someone did asked, that's why I did it. Everything is your control. And if you don't give results now, if you don't get job now, if you don't become subject expert now, so you should not blame anyone, you should blame yourself. Again, I am telling, software companies who are working on Java, they need not to prove we are the best companies in the world. Because they are already proven, that's why they are getting software projects for development. Naresh technology need not to prove we are the best in the market, that's why we are offering the courses, right? Natras sir, Arkishna sir need not to prove we are the best faculties in the market. Because we are already proven. At the end, who has to prove now? Yourself. You are the unproven product so far in this whole scenario, right? So you have to put more efforts. Anyhow, we will put our efforts. Okay. From your side also, that interest, zeal of learning something should be there. When class over, or my friend messaged me or not. If you are having that attitude, you never become programmer. Sorry to say that. You have to involve in the subject. See, boss, from the childhood, you are forced to study 6-7 subjects, right? From +2, max of 3 subjects highlighted. In engineering, the 3 subjects sector what narrowed down, and 1 subject, electronics or computer science or what, civil engineering, narrowed down. After completion of computer science engineering or any engineering, lot of softwares are there. In that you have chosen Java. So more narrowing here, right? And if you don't even become expert in one narrowed down subject, that is Java or .NET or Python, so you cannot blame anyone in the market, guys. You have to blame yourself. You have a complaint to learn 6 subjects. You have a complaint to learn 3 subjects. You have a complaint to learn whole electronics, whole computer science. But now you need not to learn whole electronics, whole computer science. You have to learn one programming language and its byproducts. Yes or no, na, boss? And still if you are complaining someone, sorry boss, you don't want to settle down in life, you are searching for excuses. Excuses will never give job. Excuses may create sympathy on you. So sad, so bad. Tell me, if those statement gives the job every day 10 times, I will say on your faces. So pity, so bad. What's the use of those statements? No use of those statements. So you are now graduates. You start understanding hard-hitting realities. Realities are very bitter, boss. College topper, but not selecting in software companies because not good in programming, or his knowledge is what? Only purely bookish, mugged up knowledge. No logical brain, no logical thinking. No job in the industry. Hard hitting fact is college topper, but sometime he has to remain without job. You know, nowadays IIT is also producing useless graduates. One of my friend running a software company from last 10 years. Okay, this year has got more budget and more uh, breathing space. He decided to recruit at least 2-3 freshers from IITs to increase the brand value of the company. We have IIT programmers. After recruiting them by paying 30% extra compared to market fresher jobs, but they are not performing well. He waited 6 months, 8 months, not performing well. Because basically that zeal is not there in IITians nowadays. Why? Because they are cool. A small job or bigger job, I will get a job. Aisa no na? Okay, boss. But they have given 3 months time and they are kept in what? Performance test. What is that? Performance test. Now they are bringing their talent out. They're relaxed, habituated to wrong things, more lifetime, not active in what? Daytime. Sleepy, drowsy in the offices. Coming late, going early. Just showing brand name, I am IIT. What's the use of it when no productivity? So now, yes, they put them on under performance test. 3 months period, everything is monitored, login time monitor, work monitor, task completion period monitor, everything is monitored. So now slowly they are bringing their talent out. So that's why, so at the end, what matters? What you are offering to company and what you are delivering to company, that matters. So IITs are not great, or normal college people are not cheap, guys. Both are equal. As long as you are good in what? Profile that you are keeping in the resume. That's the goodness of software industry, boss. No other parameter does not matter. Only your subject matters. You take IAS, IPS exams. Lot of hard work, but lot of other parameters are there. Next, group 1, group 2 post. Not only subject and talent, some other parameters are there. Reservations kind of thing. Yes, na boss? Bank jobs. Many people, less job. And nowadays, computerization, automation. Okay. So, day to day, manual work is reducing. Right now, boss? So, this is the sector where things are bright. Sir, I heard AI is coming. Our jobs also will be killed. AI will kill content writing jobs, not the programmers' jobs. What do you mean by content writing? Are image processing, writing nice paragraphs for websites. Come on. Okay. Deciding letter formats, deciding book format, book content. Nowadays, you ask anything in ChatGPT or DeepSeek, they are giving everything, right? You give proper prompting to ChatGPT, it will write book for you on then and there. It's not a great thing. Okay, those jobs are in danger. BPO jobs are in danger. KPO jobs are in danger. Technical support jobs are in danger. Content writing jobs are in danger. Okay, image processing jobs are in danger. Logo designing, all this stuff, right? Logo designing, brochure designing, no value. Because recently we created one small startup related to real estate, guys. Okay, one of my friend who knows little bit of AI, within 3 hours he designed the logo and he designed what? Brochure for the company. And we thought to spend at least 50,000 to 60,000 on it. And he said, give me biryani party, I will prepare everything for you. We have given double biryani party to him. Because that's much simplified life is. You give the inputs, it will render great image processing things. But why it is not replacing programming, sir? See, C++ is equal to B program, AI can write, no doubt. You ask AI, develop a e-commerce website having integration with GPay, having integration with the Facebook login, having integration with what? Single sign-on feature. If I log into Gmail, there is no need of login to my website. Gmail user only should be identified here. Do you think, will it generate that code, guys? Okay, generated. Can you directly execute that code, guys? without knowing what is packaging, deployment, server, request, response, all these things. So that's why don't be in the dream of, don't be in the fear of AI will replace my jobs. If that is the case, first they will replace existing employees, na. Why are you worried about new jobs? Worry about what? Old jobs. But did you listen? Any job programmer saying in last, especially Java programmer, saying, I lost job because of AI. I lost job because project is completed. That's a different case. Did you see anyone saying belonging to Java domain? I lost job because AI came and replaced my manpower or programming skills. Did you listen like that? You don't listen. Because Java is not there to develop small website, small mobile application, small standalone application or distributed application. Java sector is what? Large scale, commercial, complex, high-end application where performance, complexity, and security is the key factors, right? Such things AI cannot be generated. So that's why come out of the fear, my dear. Come on. Come out of the fear, focus on the subject. You don't want to do hard work, you will search for n number of reasons. That friend not got job, this friend not got job. What that friend has done when other friend is getting job? That's a question to be asked. Yes, spend time with positive mindset people. Try to go to high-tech city area, financial district area, once in a week, twice in a week to see those buildings, to see the lifestyle there. You will get the inspiration, right? Try to be in touch with working friends and relatives or who are there in Madhapur area or what Gachibowli area. Okay, staying in PG, staying in flats, enjoying their weekend lives. That will motivate you. If you meet with another Amirpet Jogi, okay, he say, I am Jogi, you are Jogi, let's become big Jogi, right? Jogi does not work out, guys. And if that another Jogi is lady Jogi, life also collapsed. Aisa no na? For girls, if it is a boy Jogi, that too nalayak boy Jogi, okay, you are wasting 2-3 years of your life, valuable life. Aisa no na? Super. 2 statements, guys, then I will get into the subject. Okay, state number 1. Don't go to that person who is staying in Amirpet hostel from last 3-4 years. Senior, super seniors will be there. That Anna will tell everything to you, but he don't do anything. That Anna we say, go to this place, this institute good, this is good, that is good. Then you ask her question, you know everything, Anna, why are you here, Anna? Then he will say cock and bull stories, which is not at all believable, right? Or next day onwards, he will become angry on you. You are my sub junior, how can you ask all these things? But question is question, na? Fine. Next, number 2. In these days of learning, stop doing friendship with a rich friend, especially friend whose father is great businessman, who sends minimum 20 to 25,000 to his son as a monthly expenditure or as a pocket money apart from payments and fees. Don't do friendship with that fellow. As long as you are with him, he will bear all your expenditures. He will take you to pub, he will take you to tours, he will take you to restaurants, he will make you to experience quality life and posh life. And he will give costly gifts once in a while also, right? So what happened? You will leave your education and you will feel everything is coming at free of cost. You will go along with him, you will become his partner. Daytime sleeping, nighttime roaming. Yeah, that's what people do, right? Generally, right? Okay. He won't concentrate on studies because he came to Amirpet for enjoyment. Because father is not giving freedom there. Family is conventional family. Okay, that puja pata, like they do lot. Lot of conventional family want to explore the life. That's why he came here. His intention is not to do software job. But you are a middle class, lower middle class person, right? Job is everything for you. If you roam with him for 6 to 8 months, you are habituated to some quality life, standards of life. Then what happened? One day his father called. Beta, you've done lot of enjoyment. I know. At your age, I also did the same thing. Okay? Come back. Time has come to take care of family business. He will live. And you will become alone. You cannot do courses. Why? Because your friends are already completed courses. Some of them got the jobs. You'll feel shy to sit with your juniors. Point number one. You are already habituated to quality life, standard life. Hostels looks very bad. And everything you try to purchase branded, money not there. You will get into what? Psychological problems. You will get into depression. Sometime you may attempt suicide also. So rich friend, until you settle down in life, is very danger for you. Sir, how to identify friend is rich friend? Very simple. If he is eating egg by removing yellow aside, he is a rich friend. Poor friend will eat both. Middle class friend will eat both. Only rich friend will eat what? Egg whites. He will avoid what? Egg yellows. That's the only, that starts everything there only. Yes or no? Na? Fine. Shall we get into the subject now? Okay. Anyone is there like that already? Already there? Huh? Okay. 1 kilometer distance, especially night time. Bind operation. Keeping the object reference in the JNDA registry. What registry, guys? Having, what is there? Nickname. What guys? Nickname. Next one, unbind operation. What bind? Removing the object reference. What guys? Reference from the JNDA registry. Right guys? Next, what is next one? Rebind operation. What is there? Rebind operation. Replacing the existing object with a new object. Replacing the existing object with what? New object. What is next, guys? D. Lookup operation. Lookup operation. Searching and getting, what guys? Searching and getting object reference from the JNDA registry. What guys? From the JNDA registry. I hope you understood what is the role of JNDAs. How database software is destination for Java application while communicating with JDBC code. While communicating the JNDA code from Java application, JNDA registry is the destination software. I hope you understood, guys. Super, guys. So all these looking nice. Once again, go to the basic diagram. The target class, which is Java application, spending time writing logic, go and search in JNDA registry to get one or other dependent object reference or not, guys. To get one or other dependent object reference or not, guys. I want reply from you people, guys. Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? That's great, guys. Okay, let's see what else we can do there. Java application uses JNDA API to interact with what? JNDA registry. Same Java application uses, come on, JDBC API to locate and interact with what? Database software. To simply locate and interact with what? Database software. Super, guys. Okay. Okay, before that, Pros and cons of dependency lookup. Pros and cons of what is there? Dependency lookup. Pros and cons of dependency lookup. What is there, guys? Pros. Pros means what, guys? Positives. Tell me, what are the positives about it, guys? Okay. The target class can get only required dependent objects, na? Because it is searching and getting, boss. Nothing unnecessarily will come. If it is searching for GPay, GPay object reference will come. If it is searching for PhonePe, PhonePe object reference will come. Anything unnecessary will come, boss? Nothing will unnecessary will come. Because everything required only will come, guys. Convinced with me, idea? Come on. Okay, only the target class or Spring Bean will search and get only the required. What is there? Only the required dependent Spring Bean or Java class object reference. Okay, guys. Sai, I am married. What should I do? Okay. See, software companies don't bother about married, bachelor, nothing. They worry about subject or not. That's the one thing. If you have got too much gap because you went into marriage life and all this stuff, there is a two words, relevant experience, irrelevant experience, right? Relevant experience and what? Irrelevant experience. First, last 4 years you can show as IT experience, which is relevant experience. Remaining all years you can go for what? Irrelevant experience. They don't consider them as experience, but you can use to fill the gap. To fill the too much gap that is there, guys. Right? Okay. So, software is not against of. Software industry is not against of what? Married or unmarried people, guys. They need subject. If you have a subject, they will take you. Right. Okay. Cons, guys. Yeah. The target Spring Bean or target class should spend some time, should write some logic to search and get dependent class object. Nothing comes automatically, na boss. Suppose by that time I come here, nothing is ready. So then I should ask person one to arrange the laptop. I should ask person two to arrange the mic. It takes 4-5 minutes time to arrange them. Then I will start utilizing it. So lot of time wastage will be there or not there. Yes or no, na boss? The target Spring Bean or Java class. What, guys? The target Spring Bean or Java class. The target Spring Bean or Java class will. The target Spring Bean or Java class should spend time and should write logics to search and get what, guys? Dependent Spring Bean class objects. Dependent Spring Bean class objects. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Dependent Spring Bean class objects. Super, guys. The target Spring Bean Java class. Okay. So this improves burden on the programmer, or this improves the burden on the program. Definitely this improves burden on the programmer or not, guys? Super, guys. Okay. This is about what, guys? Dependency lookup. Shall we start analyzing dependency injection, guys? Everyone, are you ready, guys? Come on. Yeah, here is my, what is there? Dependency injection. Here is my what, guys? Dependency injection. Super, guys. Here, the underlying server or container or framework or JRE or someone else dynamically assigns dependent Spring Bean class object to target Spring Bean class object. Come on, guys. Spring Bean dependent Spring Bean or Java class object to. Come on, guys. Target Spring Bean or what? Target class object. Are you understanding my statement, my dear? Come on. This is called a dependency injection. What is the injection, guys? Okay. Here, underlying server or container or someone else dynamically pushes dependent class object to target class object or not. Here, no pulling, boss, searching and getting not there. Only pushing is there, right? What's the technical example? Sorry, non-technical example, sir. You joined in the course. You don't know there is a material called course material. But admin of the institute said, this is your material, take it and use it. Don't you think the way material is assigned to you by admin is dependency injection or not, guys? The dependent is dynamically assigned to target here or not, guys? Interesting, boss. Come on. Another technical example, boss. You know this in core Java, but you never noticed it. The moment JVM creates the object, all variables will be initialized with the default values or not. 0, null, 0.0 and etc. Right? All, all variables will be initialized with what? 0, 0.0, null kind of values or not. I want reply from you. That means default values are dynamically assigned or injected to what? Object properties by JVM or not? Are you assigning or they are dynamically assigned? That means there is also dependency injection, but did you concentrate it so far? No. I think at least few people is aware of servlets. If not everyone, few people. Who create object for our servlet class, guys? Programmer, servlet container. Super. The moment servlet container creates servlet class object, the moment servlet container creates servlet component class object, it's a right hand object, servlet config object will be created and that will be dynamically assigned with what? Servlet class object or not, guys? That will be dynamically assigned with what? Servlet class object or not, guys? Say something, my dear. Come on, everyone. That is dynamically assigned with what? Servlet class object. Convinced with me, my dear? I want reply from you people. Super, guys. Dependency injection. What is the injection, guys? Okay. Earlier, target Spring Bean as spend time and searched and gather dependent. Here, target won't do anything. The dependent won't do anything. Target is ready to hold dependent. Dependent is ready to give its services. Everything is done by underlying server and container or not, guys? See, boss, you are asking material, then getting it. Dependency lookup. You don't know there is a process called material, guys. The moment you joined in the course, they assigned the material. Dependency lookup or not, guys? You are asking for Google Drive link, then you are getting the link. Dependency lookup. The moment the link is changed, they have sent Google Drive link along with the meeting link, boss. That is comes under what, guys? Dependency injection. I hope you convinced with this statement, guys. Tell me, my dear, which is good? Lookup good or injection good? No doubt injection is good. It's a dynamic and fast, right? I came here, asked for mic, then mic is assigned. Asked for laptop, then arranged laptop. Asked for projector screens, then they arranged projector. In this process, they waste 5 to 10 minutes. I said batch is at 5:15, I'll come exactly by 5:15. If I come or not, or the moment I come, they dynamically assigned what? All the three things. Without wasting time, I can start utilizing them. I can deliver lecture or not, which is fast, which is great dynamic injection. But there are situations where lookup is good. There are situations where injection is good. 90% time we prefer what? Injection. 5% time we prefer what? Lookup. Convinced, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Okay, guys. Yes. Here, the underlaying. Anyone there asking what is underlaying? The underlaying server. Everyone received Google Drive link? Okay, no problem. Today also I upload in what? Facebook. I received Google Drive link as a faculty. Everyone, after the class, please ask your admin. You send me Google Drive link. Once it is ready, okay, I will start uploading backup videos, material, classroom application, everything in Google Drive link. That time onwards, you need not to be active in Facebook. But you stay in Facebook for getting other posts like job openings, success journeys, all these things will be shared there. Here the underlying server or container or framework. Okay. Dynamically assigns. What is this? Dependent class or what is this? Okay. I just messaged in WhatsApp to madam. She said take it from faculty. That is not the process. Okay. I'll talk to madam. Don't worry. I'll talk to madam. Don't worry. Because it's supposed to come along with the new meeting ID. I think they missed the process. Okay. I too noticed that. Okay. Madam should be active in the classes during the class time. I'll bring to our notice. Okay, guys. Alakya madam, when I say backup videos including demo classes. If your English is weak, don't blame me, madam, please. Demo classes are backup videos. Both are one and the same. Yes? Completed classes are called backup classes, which are for you demo classes, for me backup classes. Please, please. We all are engineers. Don't forget that. Okay. Assigns dependent or Spring Bean class object to what is there? Target class or Spring Bean class object. What object? Spring Bean class object. That's great. Okay, here the underlying environment. What is there? Like server, container, etc. Dynamically assigns dependent. What guys? Spring Bean class. Spring Bean or Java class object to target Spring Bean or Java class object. Here assigns are pushes. The word pushes should be utilized here. Yes, na my dear. Come on, everyone. Okay, guys. Now tell me next one. Example one. Okay. The moment student joins the course. Student means what? Target. Joins the course. Is assigned with course material. What material? Is assigned with course dependent. Is assigned with course material automatically. What guys? And dynamically. Got it, my dear? Come on, everyone. Example 2. What is there? Example 2, guys. The moment student joins for the course, he is assigned with material. Next one. The way JVM assigns, what guys? JVM assigns default values 0, 0.0, null, false, 2. Null, false, 2. Java class object. What object, guys? Java class object. The moment it creates the object is called, what is there? Dependency injection. Is technically, literally called as what, guys? Dependency injection. Here Java class object is target here. Come on, guys. Default values are what? Dependent values. As dependent is called dependency injection. What is example number 3, guys? What is example number 3? Tell me, what is number 3, my dear? I want reply, guys. Yeah, the way servlet container assigns. What container, guys? Servlet container assign. Servlet config object to servlet component class object. Servlet component, servlet config object is what? Dependent class object. Yes, come on. Servlet component class object, nothing but target. Nothing but target. Target object. Come on. Is called. What is that, boss? Is called dependency injection. So far we have not noticed that is also dependency injection, guys. You convinced with me? These two places we are enjoying from the childhood of Java, right? But did we never notice that's a dependency injection, guys? Not at all, right? Pros and cons. Okay, pros. Pros means what? Advantages. Yeah. Since underlying container server framework dynamically assigning what? Dependent class object to what? Target class object. What object? Dynamically assigning dependent class object to what? Target class object. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Dependent class object to what? Target class object. Okay. Target class can use dependent objects directly without wasting time and without searching for them or not there. No wastage of time na boss. Yes or no na boss. By giving proper instructions to underlying server or container, we can inject only required objects to target object or not guys. Right. What is the disadvantage? The underlying server container may inject both necessary and unnecessarily objects sometimes. This danger is there or not there, guys? This possibility is there or not there, guys? Okay. Yeah. What is this? The dependent the target Spring Bean or Java class can use dependent objects directly as they are available. What guys? As they are available readily injected by what guys? Injected by underlying server or container dot dot. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Next. Okay, guys. Target spring bean. Okay. Underlying means where we are running, that is called underlying. Server. Suppose you are running on XJVM, that is called underlying JVM. You are running on Y container. Y is called what? Underlying container. I think that's the basic English meaning of your childhood days. Underlaying, where we are staying, that is called what? Underlaying. Yes or no, na boss? Who will provide this presentation? Underlying system is taking care of that presentation. The system on which I am working, that is called what? Underlaying. I think you missed yesterday's class. I think yesterday also same discussion has come. So this proves, Mr. Sute, you are absent for yesterday's class. Am I right? Okay. Come regularly, Mr. Sute. Target Spring Bean or Java class need not to spend time and need not to write logic to search and get dependents. Search and get dependents. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Super, guys. What is constraints, guys? The underlying in which container our code is running, that container. In which server our code is running, that server. I'm worried. As an engineering graduate, you are worried about underlaying. No one uses this terminology, boss. First time I'm using in your life. You never studied textbooks or at least Passkey series. Underlying word is that much new. Huh? I am surprised. I think you are Corona engineers. The underlying Corona engineers only. Second year, first year. First year Corona, na? Too danger that is. Okay, guys. Underlying container or what? Server or framework may inject both. What is that? Necessary. What, guys? Necessary and unnecessary dependent objects. Objects to what is there, guys? Target Spring Bean. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. May inject both necessary and unnecessary objects, dependent objects to what? Target Spring Bean. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not? Yes, that's great, boss. Okay. Shall we get into the next level? Yes. Okay, very simple, boss. How to understand dependency injection and lookup. In your home, the way you are getting food, which is dependent, you are the target, is a dependency lookup. You ask for food, they are busy watching serials or TV. Again, you ask for food, then they deliver the food. Mother, sister, whoever it is, right? That is dependency lookup or not. You have gone to relative's house, boss. What house? You have gone to relative's house. Especially you are a newly married boy and first time visiting auntie's house. One day only. That excitement will be one day only. Okay. Tell me. So before you ask only they deliver the food or not? But problem is what? They deliver what you like, what you don't like, right? Aisa no na? But definitely they deliver before you ask because they know that you are not going to ask anything, right? So they deliver the food before you ask. So their food is injected to you. Agree with me, guys? Okay, day they will inject. Second day they inject. Third day, if you try to perform lookup also, they say food not available. Yes or no? Na? Right. Enjoy learning process, boss. If you enjoy journey, results will be positive. If you don't enjoy journey, if results are positive, also you will feel very painful. Learning process should be enjoyed, guys. Kumar, can you share Google Drive link, please? I don't share. Okay, it will be shared by admin. I'll talk to admin. Admin will give very sure. Because could you please share my journey? My journey is very big journey. In the middle of the batch, I'll share. First, let me share the subject, worst fellow. Okay. Study material shared in classroom. Rahul Jadhav, everything will be shared in what? Google Drive. Wait until you get the Google Drive. Okay? Super. Whether you are asking question or you are confirming, I really don't know. Please share backup notes, backup videos for revision tonight. Alakhya madam, contact admin. I don't maintain that administrative work. Alakhya madam, I understood your excitement. Overnight you want to become Spring Boot developer. I appreciate it. But, first, concentrate. But I do technical work, someone else will do what? Non-technical work. So, little bit communication gap is there. Tomorrow admin will share every link. Meanwhile, collect the note material from Facebook, start watching them, right? All paintbrush contents are there or not there? Super, guys. Okay. Initial days core Java are very hard, but after 1-2 months it's easy. Which one is hard to learn? Core Java, SPBMS. Okay. Lucky Verma, if you focus, everything is easy. If you don't focus, going to school in the childhood also very hard, right? It all depends upon what you like and what you don't like. Varun, my communication is officially with what? Gmail and Facebook Messenger. So no phone number will be given. You get the job, I'll share my phone number with only working people. Not with job seekers. I will share numbers only with working people. Right. Please share WhatsApp group and your contact number as admin or counselor may not respond sometime. Naveen, I am clearly saying I don't entertain WhatsApp group, Telegram group. I will entertain only my Facebook group. There also Messenger is there. Not only your batch student, already 26,000 senior students are there. They will help you. Okay, I know your wrong intentions of what? Taking WhatsApp group, Telegram group. Okay, those wrong thoughts will not be entertained in my classes. Either mail or Facebook group. If you like, continue. Otherwise, stop coming from tomorrow. Is that clear, Varun? I know your excitement and your this one. I was having some exam. I was unable to attend classes. Can I continue this batch? Happily, you can continue in this batch. Right. Officially, there will not be WhatsApp group, Telegram groups for this batch. Is that clear, guys? If anyone creates an unofficial, don't join. Okay? They take your numbers and they will misuse for wrong purposes. Only Natras, Java Arena and mail ID what I shared with you. These two are official. And one more group is there, Java updates officially maintained by whom? Naresh IT. Okay? For institute related information. Only these two things, guys. Right? Okay. Super, guys. Varun Kumar, backup videos will be given tomorrow. In Facebook, everything is available as a notes, collect it. Otherwise, contact the online class admin. She will share the backup videos. Varun, last warning, I think you are going out of box and that is not entertained in my classes. When I say not possible, not possible. That's it. Okay. See guys. 515, where is this? Yes. 515, Spring Core module. What is today's date, my dear? Huh? 12th? Did I save the document like 12th? Yes. Let me upload the notes. By tomorrow, I'll make sure that Google Drive is shared with you people. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. All the best. Srinivas, I also take DevSec apps, AWS, and JRTP batches. JRTP batch means what? Java real-time project batches. Naveen, sir, what's your query? Can you repeat? To learn reverse order from day 1 to day 10, no, you have to learn day 1 to day 10 only. Don't learn reverse order. Our mic is on mute. It's completely mute entire class. Else unmute. Naveen Kumar, when you have query, then only I will give permission to unmute. Otherwise, it's chat box based communication. Naveen, everything is chat box based communication. If you have a big query, if you are not able to express through wordings, through chat box, then only mic will be given. New DevSec pack batch. Follow Naresh IT homepage. You will get the new batches information. Right. When Java real-time project starts, maybe within few days, please share today's notes. It is already shared in the Facebook. It is already there in the Facebook. Please notice that. Just refresh the page, you will get it. Thank you guys. Have a nice time.